Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today I will teach you computer of grade 4. We are going to continue our chapter number 3, input and output devices, and today's our topic is input devices and processing devices, page number 20 to 21. So students, let's start. Some common input devices are as follows, like microphone. Let me tell you about microphone. A microphone is used to input and record voice into the computer. Basically, microphone is a device that captured audio by converting sound waves into an electrical signal. The signal can be amplified as an analog signal or may be converted to a digital signal, which can be processed by a computer or other digital audio device. We'll move to next one is scanner. Scanner is an input device which reads and scans the text and pictures given on the paper into a computer understandable pictures and text. Scanner converted text and pictures stored in our computer for later use. You can also email scanned text and pictures to anyone. Scanner saves time and makes our task easy. Well, a scanner is a device that captures image from photographic prints, posters, magazine pages, and similar sources for computer editing and display. Well, very high resolution scanners are used for scanning for high resolution printing, but lower resolution scanners are adequate for capturing images for computer display. And there is two types of scanners. First one is flatbed and second one is handheld. We'll move to next one is barcode reader. Well, a barcode reader is used to read barcodes printed on items in a shop meant for sale. A barcode is a sequence of black lines on a white background. It has a number written on it, and a barcode reader is used in libraries, supermarkets to make appropriate entries in the stock records as well as to raise a bill. Well, a barcode reader, also called a price scanner or point of sale POS scanner, is a handheld or stationary input device used to capture and read information contained in a barcode. A barcode reader works by directing a beam of light across the barcode and measuring the amount of light that is reflected back. Next one is light pen. A light pen is a pen-shaped pointing device. It is connected to the monitor. Light pens are used to draw pictures on the screen. We can also select objects on the screen by pointing at them with pen. It is mostly used by engineers and designers. Well, students, a light pen is a light-sensitive pointing input device commonly used to select or otherwise modify text or data on a screen. Used with a CRT monitor. These devices were an early form of manipulating and highlighting data on the screen. Okay, move to next one is processing devices. Well, what is processing devices? The processing unit of a computer is known as the Central Processing Unit, CPU. Okay, the CPU does calculation and carries out many other functions. It is known as the brain of a computer. And CPU has three parts: ALU, CU, and U. ALU stands for Arithmetic and Logic Unit, CU is Control Unit, and MU is Memory Unit. First of all, let me tell you about ALU, Arithmetic and Logic Unit. ALU stands for Arithmetic and Logic Unit. It does all the calculation like addition, subtraction, etc. Next one is CU. CU stands for Control Unit. It controls all the activities of the computer. It tells other parts of computer what they should do. Move to next one is MU. MU stands for Memory Unit. It stores data and information temporarily. Well, I am sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully there will be no confusion. And one more important thing, I have a home task for you. Here is some question for you. First of all, define the followings. First one is microphone, barcode reader, light pen. We already discussed these devices in our lecture. And next one is write down the names of different parts of CPU. And next one is what is scanner. Also name the two types of scanner. Well, students, you will get all the answers of these questions from this lecture. You will do these questions on your notebook. And that's the end of my lecture. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.